Do you want to know how you can access your customer support center on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access support center on your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to temu.com. Make sure that you are logged in and you can see this smiley face icon over here. Hover around it, which is on the right hand side, and you can see Support Center. Click on Support Center and it will lead you to this page. Support Center has a lot of recommended topics for you from which you can solve all of your problems. You can see that there are a lot of problems and a lot of articles provided to you. So, if you want to know how you can track or refund your account, go ahead and click How do I track my refund, and you can see there are a lot of related articles over here. So, this is how you access Support Center and solve your problems reading the articles provided by Temu. So, you can even give the feedback about how you like the article or why you do not like the article. So, this is how you access Support Center on Temu. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.